Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Stripe Connect to your US business account step by step clearly. First, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Connect option in the main menu. Click on Payouts to see your earnings. Select the specific payouts you wish to withdraw. Check the payout amounts to ensure accuracy. Now, click on the Transfer Funds option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Choose your US business account as the destination. Confirm the transfer details are correct. Click on the Submit button to process your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is initiated. Check your email for any updates regarding the transfer status. Monitor your business account for the deposit to ensure it arrives. If you encounter any issues, visit the Stripe support page for assistance. Make sure to keep track of your transaction for accounting purposes. Revisit your payouts section to confirm the transaction has been completed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.